Welcome students. Our today's topic is subtraction of algebraic expressions. This is part 6 video of the same unit 6, that is Introduction to Algebraic Expressions. Always remember before subtracting that only like terms can be subtracted, as we used to do in for addition of the algebraic expressions. Now the first is subtraction of monomials. Let us learn how to do it. First we will go with the column method, right? In column method we also used to do the same, follow the same pattern for subtraction as we have done in addition. Let us understand this by taking this example. Subtract 5a from 9a. Now the expression is 9a and 5a. We know that 5a has to be subtracted from 9a. So we have to write 9a at the top and below it 5a. Now subtract it like we have to sometimes change the sign, but because 5a is positive here it is positive, so we will just write 5a and we will change the sign here minus 5a, right? Because we are subtracting it, so we are putting the sign of this negative sign here. We can leave this gap also for changing the sign. You can write the sign here or here also. Now subtract it as we used to do, because both the term are like terms, so a will be remain, the variable will remain same, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 4a. Next method is horizontal method. Example 3x from 9x. Now we have to subtract 3x from 9x. So we will write 9x first and then horizontally we will write 3x. But because 3 is a positive integer and we have to subtract it, so we will put the sign of subtraction, minus sign here, and you can take 3x in bracket, or you can leave this bracket also, and 9 minus 3x we will do the simple subtraction. Here students, you can follow that rule also, that subtract the numeral part first. You can do it like this also, or you can skip this step and you can subtract it in your mind also. So the answer will be 9 minus 3 is 6, so the answer is 6x, right? You can write this step or you can skip this step. You can do this step in your mind only, right? जैसे हम subtraction करते हैं numbers को, वैसे ही subtract करेंगे and then we will write the answer. Coming on to the worksheet 6, that is subtract. Question number first is subtraction. Question number 1 is for the subtraction of monomials, right? Subtract 3x from 5x. Now here we have to subtract 3x from 5x. We can opt any method. If you feel like that column method is easy, go with it. If you feel like that horizontal method is easy, you can go with that method. Whenever the method is mentioned here, that subtract the monomials by using column method or horizontal method, then you have to go with that. Then restriction is there. If it is not mentioned, you can opt any of the method. I will go with the horizontal method because it would be it would help you in solving the further questions also. So from 5x, now we have to write 5x first. 5x minus 3x, because 3 is positive, so there is nothing to worry, just write 3x directly. This is equal to, again you can subtract the numeral parts only like this, 5 minus 3, and because the variable is same, so we will write x here. Or you can skip this part, you can do this part in your mind. 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2x is the answer. 4a from 3a. Now here 4a from 3a. So you have to write 3a first. Take 3a. 4a is a positive number, so minus 4a right? This is equal to, go with the numeral parts only, 3 minus 4, and variable is common, so a, and here 3 minus 4. Now you have to use the properties of integers. 3 minus 4, because the signs are opposite, so we have to subtract and put the sign of the greater one, or you can follow your own method, whichever method you are using. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so you can write minus 1 also, or we know that we have to skip this minus, 1, there is no need to write 1, so we can write it like minus a, right? हमें पता है कि 1 को हम नहीं लिखते हैं, तो हम उसको डायरेक्टली माइनस a लिखेंगे. आंसर इज माइनस a. नेक्स्ट इज 13 square from x square. Now you will write it like x square minus 13x square. Here the variable is x square. Now because there is no coefficient of x, so we will take its coefficient as 1. So now take the numerical parts, 1 minus 13x square. Again the signs are different, so we have to subtract. 13 minus 1 is 12, but we will go with the sign of the greater number. So the answer will be minus 12x square. Coming on to the D part, minus y from 3y. So you have to write 3y first, so you will write 3y here. Then minus, here it is very important for you to understand this thing. Already this is a negative expression, so take it in bracket, right? Always take the negative expressions in bracket first. If you are subtracting, do take care of this step and write minus here, because 3y minus, जो ऑलरेडी पहले माइनस वाई था तो माइनस वाई को हमने ब्रैकेट में ले लिया, बिकॉज वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, सो हम लोग यहाँ पर साइन माइनस का लगाएंगे. 3y माइनस, टेक दिस इन ब्रैकेट माइनस वाई, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? Then because we know that minus minus is plus, whenever we multiply minus by minus, then it is equal to plus. So this is equals to 3y plus y. Why? Because why I have taken 1 here, because its coefficient is 1. अगर किसी का कोफिशिएंट नहीं दिया होता है तो हम लोग उसका कोफिशिएंट क्या लेते हैं, 1 लेते हैं, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1. So this will become positive because minus minus is equal to plus. So 3y plus 1. Now add the numeral parts only, 3 plus 1, and the variable is y here. So 3 plus 1 is 4, it is equal to 4y. Minus 7a from minus 3a. Now write minus 3a first and then minus, because again this is a negative integer, so we have to take it like this. इसको हम bracket में रखेंगे और minus का sign as it is रहेगा. All of them are minus. Minus 3 is already minus, a negative expression, and minus because we are subtracting, so हम लोग यहाँ पे minus लगाएंगे, and then minus 7a. तो minus 7a because this is a negative expression, take it in bracket. इसको हमें bracket में लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, यहाँ पर it is important to take it in a bracket. This is equal to minus 3a. Minus and minus both will be equal to plus, so plus 7a. Now go with the numeral parts, minus 3 plus 7, and because the variable part is same, a. Minus 3 plus 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So here one thing I want to tell you students, that follow the rules of integers only, right? Minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is equal to 4a. Next is 3abc from minus 3abc. This is negative, so we have to write it first. There is no need to take it in bracket. If you want to take it, you can take the negative, this expression in bracket, minus 3abc, right? This is equal to, minus both are negative, consider the numeral part only, minus 3 minus 3. both are negative, the signs are same, so we have to add it as per to the integers rule. So minus 3 plus minus 3 is minus 6, and we will go with the same sign. So minus 6 it will be, and a, b, c, the variable part also we have to write. So this is the answer. I hope students the concept is clear to all of you. So now solve question number first of worksheet 6 of unit 6. Thank you.